$8.207
A loss of $8,207. That's the trading result from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week number 19. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schulz, and in this video I'm going to show to you the trades from the last week and the corresponding results. We started into week 19 with a portfolio consisting of one open position, which was sugar, where we were long by 24 contracts. During the week we closed this position, we also had another trade in gasoline, and at the end of week 19 we had 0 open positions. First market, gasoline. On the weekly chart you can see that we received a buy signal. We are looking for buy and sell signals on the weekly chart, and by analyzing COT data and other indicators we are deriving our buy and sell signals. On the daily chart you can see that in the past we've conducted a long trade. That was pretty successful. Afterwards we've waited for a correction to buy the market again. We planned our trade for Monday, and unfortunately we used market orders here. The market opened with a large gap. In this way our risk was doubled. So we had to realize not minus $5,000, but minus $10,000. In the future, we will use stop limits. This is our learning. And we've learned from this trade. Each mistake makes us more professional and a better trader. We are going to integrate our experience and our knowledge into our trading. This is the way to handle it professionally and then move on. Next market, sugar. On the weekly chart you can see that we received a buy signal, and we received it 5 weeks ago. On the daily chart you can see that we made a long trade in the past and made good profits here. Afterwards, price moved into our direction, and we were pleased to see that because it moved in the direction of our COT signal, which is a good confirmation. We afterwards used the correction to go long. We were triggered according to the plan, and afterwards price didn't move in our direction anymore. Instead, price remained at the same level. For us, we estimated the risk of staying in the market as too high. We closed the position at break-even. Now, a few words on our second COT strategy, the so-called champion strategy. Here, we started into week 19 with 3 positions. We had 5 short contracts in dollar index, 2 long contracts in coffee, and 2 long contracts in wheat. At the end of the week, we are left with the position in dollar index where we are well in the win with about $3,000. During the week, we closed the positions in coffee and wheat, and furthermore, we conducted 1 trade in sugar. On our website, you can observe our last trades individually. As you can see, at wheat we made a loss of $1,150 because a correction stopped us out. In sugar we also realized a loss of $1,866. However, the profits from our coffee trade were large enough to balance out the losses. So in total we could realize a gain of $1,571 this week. In the end, let's have a few words on CRB index as usual. As you can see, in the last couple of weeks, price always increased. In the last week we faced a small correction bar, which is completely normal. We will use this correction in commodity prices to look for long trade opportunities. We will show you in our trading group, as always, which markets we are going to select. That's it from our side this week. Thank you very much for the attention, and we wish you all many successful trades for the next trading week. And as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading.